Hello my crafty friends, it's Crystal with Happy to Plan. I'm going to be sharing with you a book haul today. I went to a new store in my area and I wanted to share with you some of the books that I found. I hit the golden book jackpot. I found so many cool golden books. Yeah. Alright, so let's go ahead and look at all of these great books that I got. As you saw in the clip, they had quite a few really cool music sheets and music paper. So I found this one, and they just had a lot of cool illustrations.
In it. There is some writing and stuff, but, you know, like that's cool. Just, you know, the illustrations are nice. I got more for the illustrations than the actual, like, you know, music sheet. But yeah, I think this is really cool. I think I could use this in a lot of different ways, like that in a Christmas spread. This one is really cute. And then it had like a couple of just extra bits in here. So I thought that was cool. I could use these for like collage papers. Yeah, so I was really happy with this
find. And then I also picked up this one, Popular Christmas Songs. I love to use these in my Christmas journal, little golden books, junk journals. And yeah, and then I found another cool recipe book.
This one's fairly old. It's 69, and it's Campbell's, and it's got some cute illustrations in it. And I love that it's on a ring binder, so I can actually remove the binder and then use the pages. So yeah, it's really cool. It's got some pictures in it, and then illustrations. I really was happy I found this. This is really cool.
And then here's another really cool one. This is a Better Homes and Gardens, the Junior Cookbook. And this one again is, this is from the 80s. So this is like early 80s. But look at the
cute illustrations. I love this one. Oh my gosh, look at that one. Yeah, I love this one. I thought this one was really, really cool. And then it has really cool pictures in it. And then all of the different illustrations and the different pictures. I wonder if they use biscuit. All the cute little illustrations in there.
And then, yeah, I liked this book as well. And then I was excited to find this one, Practical Sewing. So
it is a sewing book. Look how cute that illustration is. And then this one is from 78, I guess. 76, 78. There's two dates on here. First edit was 78. Yeah. So, yeah. And then this illustration down here. And look at that. That's really cool. And then it has like really cool like images in it. And then that's really cool. It kind of has like different kind of like history of sewing. And then it goes into like fabrics. And it has a list of all the fabrics. And it just kind of goes into like what it kind of does hymns and different pictures. And look at that.
That's cool. Yeah, so I just thought this was really, really cool. I was very happy I found this. And then I was really happy I found this too. It's a Gardening Keeper Journal. It's a 3-year in bloom gardening journal illustrations. I just think the cover is beautiful, but look inside. It's like
never been used, but it has really cool illustrations in it. Look how pretty that is. So it basically gives you like each month of the year, so January, and it has like you're recording all of your stuff in here, and it's got really cool pictures. That's really cool paper. So I'm really excited to kind of figure out how to use this book. I really was excited to find this.
Yeah, and I don't think this one's old. I think this is just in the 80s. It's not too old. Yeah, 88. And then I found this. Oh my god, I was so excited to find this. Look how I love Eloise.
I love her illustrations. And this is a huge book. And one of the things that Gail has been doing on her channel is doing glue books. And I just thought, you know what, this would be such a cool glue book. And I can use the illustrations for different things. I mean, she just has such a great gift. I just think they're so pretty. And she does a lot of the, look how cute that one is. She does a lot of illustrations for the little golden books as well. And
this one I don't think is very old either. Yeah, it's just 85. Okay. And then I found this one, and this one's really old. It says God is good. And this one,
I think it's from the 40s. Yeah, it's kind of weird. Copyright. I'll put it on the screen what the date is. But look how cute these little images are. They're so sweet. Oh, so sweet. Yeah, these are just really sweet, sweet images. So, glad I got this one.
Okay. And now, let's look at all of the golden books I got. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. I think in the clip I showed you, I can't remember if I had showed you the big stack that was sitting there. I walked in and went, oh my gosh, there's so many. So I had to be selective because there was a lot. Eloise is the one that did the photos for this one. So this one was back in the 62. And it's a baby book. So cute. I do have a few little golden books on my Etsy shop if you're interested. I have a little piggy one and a duck one. Hoping to have some other ones out soon, but you know how that goes. And then Rabbit's Adventure is my next one. And this one didn't have the cover, so I probably won't be able to turn this into a little golden book, but I just thought the images were really, really sweet. So I just had to get this one for all the cute little bunny images. I'm thinking about putting together some scrapbook pads and put them on Etsy, so I thought that would look good in those. And this one is How to Grow, and this one's from 86. So it's got like seasonal things. Look at the strawberry one. And the pumpkins. So I'm not gonna, I guess I shouldn't flip through all of these, but this one is a fire engine one. I thought that would be a cool book. This one's from the 50s. And it's really super colorful. So I'll just do a quick flip through. It's really, really colorful. A lot of great images in this one. And then this one is the Baby Farm Animals. And this one was originally from the 53, but I think this publication was 86. So really sweet little images of the animals. It's weird how it's like folded the wrong way. Like, not, oh, there it goes. And then the 12 Days of Christmas. I debated about getting this one because I don't know if I like the illustrations, but I think it's kind of cute. It's kind of cute watching them like give her all of the birds and all of the Maids of Mary and all that stuff. So that one's cute. And then I also got the Christmas Carol. This one is from, this one must be really old. 46 it says. Wow. That was the original publication on this. I liked it because it had the different music sheets in here. And then I got this one. This little bear one is from the 61, but then it was renewed in 89. So this might be an 89 one. Really cute little images. Then I got the bunny book, and this one was a 55. And it has all the little bunnies. So I was hoping I would be able to get some little golden book junk journals out for Easter, but I don't think that's going to happen. And then I also got this one, Prayer for, and it's also got an Eloise. It's got Eloise's photo or illustrations in it. So really, really super cute. And then the last thing I found was this. So I looked this up because I didn't know what this was. It's just an empty little golden book. So apparently they had kits that were like make your own golden book, and it had like kits with different stickers and stuff. I don't really know exactly what was in the kit, but I'm assuming that's what this is from. But it's completely 100% blank. There's nothing in it at all. Not exactly sure what I'm gonna do with it, but I just thought it was really cool, so I'm like, you know, I went ahead and purchased it. All right, so that is all of the books that I got for this haul. I hope that you guys enjoyed it, and if you are interested in any of the book page packs or my little golden books, please check out my Etsy shop down below, and we will see you again real soon. Bye for now.